Mr. Prakash, 11th generation
Yes,
operation shuru.
sir.
Problem is dead, right?
Alright.
So what is the motherboard?
Sir, not
Part
display.
number? No, it's completely dead. LA
LA
K201P.
1P, right, sir.
It's a HP laptop.
11th
Condition is 11th generation. Condition is completely dead. Okay. What is the part number? Hold on. 15S hyphen DR3500TX. Okay. Now you are removing the CLR. So today we already done the charging section. At the same time we received the laptop, right?
CLR, okay.
Now CLR section was the issue. It was giving beep. After removing the CLR, which side?
This side.
Which side you check? That side is okay, and other side? Short. Okay. You need to confirm which side it is. Okay.
This is informed. 2 MOSFET is there.
This is VIN section or what?
VN section.
PQB 1.
QB12.
PQB12. See, it's a PQB12 has connected to the PRB3.
Yes, sir.
You check that connectivity. PRB12 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So drain to CLR you check. Beep showing, right? Okay. Now that beep you check with the ground.
No, not showing.
It's not showing. It means first and second MOSFET is okay. Okay, first and second MOSFET is okay because there is no beep here.
Yes, sir.
So second side, this side, anywhere it may be problem. So first you need to check the high MOSFETs.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one by one you can check. Okay, where it is? Next section. Mr. Anji,
No, sir.
PL303. Check PL303. That's a coil that has gone to which section? Which section? Coil output. Coil output. No, coil output is 3 VAL. It means 3 volts section.
Sir,
PL301. See, I told you nowadays high-low MOSFETs are not coming. So it's 11th generation. Separate IC is there. For 3 volts, it is a separate IC. Okay. See, 3 volts having input section, not high MOSFET section.
This is that
Understood?
IC.
Usually in older generation, it was connecting to high MOSFET.
Yes.
Right. Here it has input section through the coil. Right. Come this side. Leave it. Just now. See, 19 volts is connected through this coil to this particular IC. PU301. PU301 nearby that PL303 is there. That input
302.
section. 302. This one is output section. Input section.
Input section this side will come.
PL
First I will check
here.
continuity.
This coil. This coil you have to check. That is the inductor, right?
Yes.
See, first you
Sorry.
remove the coil and you check. If this section is clear, then all will be okay. If then also same issue, then this section is good. First we need to check. First we need to remove the coil and we need to check both the side. If this side is okay, this side is okay. If no beep, then again 19 VB as a issue. Understood?
What's up, film?
See, if you are removing this coil, right? If you remove this, after that also here there is no beep, then this section is good.
Yes.
If there is a beep here and here there is no beep, then 19 section is clear.
Yes.
Here somewhere problem with the 3 volts section. Okay, we need to check the tree. Now you are removing the input path section coils. Like this, all IC section will be having 19 volts VP. That's 5 volts also we need to check. Even RAM section and other section also. Which side?
2 also.
Two are there. Two are there. 2 you have to remove. Because both are connected to 19 volts.
Only one.
See, 2 are there. Yeah. Right, 2 are there.
Now we have to check input, output, start.
Yeah, input side or output side.
Now output is okay, sir.
Output in the sense 19 volts or 3 volts. Check both.
19 voltage start.
See, here it means after removing this 3 volt section is good, right? Here you are telling it's a problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Once again you check this coil section and this particular IC 1, 2, 3.
Which one, sir?
This IC section is there, right?
Yes, yes.
For confirmation, you need to check the continuity here and here.
Yes, yes, yes. Which one is output?
Yes. Because blindly we can't.
Yes,
What is it?
Zero
Confirm.
301.
We need confirmation. Then only we can go proceed. Okay. That IC will be there, right? 1, 2, 3. First we check that notch. That pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sir. So not this side is there.
After that notch, pin number, see, all are connected here. Just I'll
This one,
leave it. See, these points are connected here.
Yes, sir.
Right. So any one you can keep it here and you check the point.
Okay, sir.
But slowly, don't give more pressure.
Okay.
So this is input path.
Yes.
Right.
Output path.
No, this is input in the sense 3 volts input side.
Yeah, IC side.
IC
This is
side. Yeah. 19 volts that side.
This side.
Input
So
side.
which one is 19 now?
This
This
one.
is the 19 volt path.
Yes.
Now you connect to the ground. Check with ground.
It's showing short.
Check properly. So now you confirm this is the input path, right?
Yes.
So now output path,
See.
this side. See, this is how we have to take the confirmation. Which one is input section and which one is output section.
Yes.
Now 3 volt section is good.
Good.
Now next section is Prakash. See here. Next we need to search where it has gone. PL301 section actually.
Sir,
huh?
PE302. Yes.
PU302, that is having one coil actually, PL305.
Yes, sir.
That you have to check. Got it? PL305.
PL305, this one.
It has to show.
Short nothing.
That's right. Should show. See, 19 volts is connected here. PL305. Check once again. See, showing right? No.
No.
PL305. Coil.
PL305.
That is 3. Not that one. That is 3. PL305 you have to check. No. That is the capacitor.
Right, sir. PL305.
303 that one.
In this two, one is confirmed.
5
Yeah.
Okay, this one. This coil you check.
That one. and
Yes.
that one.
I thought it's 3. No short.
No, sure.
Now again you check that 3 volt section. No short. Gone. Check CLR.
Yes, sir.
Check CLR. It's there. So then 100% it should be there. See? Okay, now 305 you have to remove. Yes.
This is capacitor.
This one.
Here. This one. This is the coil. PL 505. It has to show. See? Right?
Showing. Showing.
You have to remove. Actually, compared to previous generation, 11th generation is very easiest board. Very easy because it won't contain more component. All are included in only one IC. If one IC has gone, you have to replace it. That's it. Need not to scratch your head more. This side?
This side.
This side in the sense 19 volts.
91.
You need to confirm with IC PU302
Yes.
pin number 1. Pin number 1.
Yes. It's showing short.
Which side? IC side, right?
Yes.
Now you check
This
the
is
CLR.
IC side.
Now you check the CLR. Again it's showing.
Yes.
Then once again you confirm with the IC. No, here actually continuity will be there. This with ground you have to check. Right. See, that's not that's actually good. 5 volts also good. So again you connect that coil. It's a 19 volt section as short. See, there is no short. That is correct only.
Yes.
See, without confirmation we should not move further.
Yes, yes.
You checked continuity.
Yes, that with IC he checked actually. Right.
Input only showing short.
Input in the sense 19 volts.
Yes, yes. Any other location having problem? Not this one.
Maybe capacitors, I think so.
Hmm.
Usually in water damage, 99% capacitor or MOSFET. Here actually MOSFETs are not there, so maximum suspect is capacitor. But anyway, let me check. No, let us check. You are reconnecting, right? So next, Prakash, search. One minute. This I see. Which one? This is over. Okay, next. 1 minute. This also over. This 3 volt section. Next. This is this.
File
Again
number
it's
one.
coming. Okay, next.
3 PL03.
This is over. This one. See, high-low MOSFET are there here. Actually, it's a RAM section. RAM section dual MOSFET it has. Okay, dual MOSFET. Which one? PLM2.
PLM2.
Check the PLM2.
PLM2. PLM2.
PLM2 na sir? Coil
It's a MOSFET. Yeah. Coil is PLM1 actually.
Sir,
Coil this one. This coil actually. PLM2 you have to check.
PLM2.
That has 90 volts.
That one only.
Huh?
ಏನ್ತಿನಲ್ವಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಪಿ ಎಲ್
What is that? Coil?
ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ
Okay, you remove that. Means RAM section.
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಮಾಡಿ. See, IC side it's good, I think so. It's a capacitor side, it has some problem. Okay, you remove that.
ಇದಲ್ವಾ ಇದಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್
PLM2, yes. Which one? This is the one. First
ಈ
one.
ಕಡೆದು.
Yes.
ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
Actually, what happened?
PLM2 ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಸರ್
Actually, it's a dual MOSFET, but through the coil it has connected. Because see, coil is showing beep, right? Then MOSFET also will show beep. So which side you need to confirm? See, the dual MOSFET is there.
Sir.
ECM1, that the pin number is 432.
ಸರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾಟ್
See, this is the dual MOSFET, okay?
Yes, yes.
Pin number 432 is connected to the coil.
Yes.
That side you have to check. That is a
This are-
coil side, right?
ಮಾಸ್ಪೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
MOSFET side. Then you need to check with ground this point.
ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್
Not showing. It means this section also good. Correct.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
So 19 path having still short. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you reconnect it. See, this is the confirmation. Complete section is good. Next, Prakash, be ready. Search. Where it has gone? Search. Search. Yes. Here one jumper PJZ.
Yes, sir.
Where it is one meter. PJZ1.
PJZ1, sir.
It may be coil section.
Jumper.
It's a PUZ2.
Yeah, MOSFET is there, sir.
PJZ1 jumper.
Jumper.
Jumper is there.
Jumper board.
PZ1 nearby processor, I think so. Just a minute. Here one point will be there. Jumper in the sense it's a dot. See? PJF, right?
F2.
So like that PJZ2.
PJZ1.
One, sorry. PJZ1. One minute.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ PJW1 ಇದೆ.
PJW1.
Like this you have to search.
PJW1.
W2.
PJZ1 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
That
Ah,
you have to
yeah.
disconnect that.
Salting.
That is desoldering wick.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ knife ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Knife you want? Yes. Okay. Remote?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you check.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಸರ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದೆ.
So you can take that one. Where is that?
ಸಾಲ್ಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
Weak.
Check continuity.
Cut.
So now you remove PJZ1.
Yes, sir. Continuity ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
No continuity. Okay. Now which side?
Now I will check with the ground.
This side not there. Other side. Slowly you can check more. Okay. Then now you have to confirm which side.
ಅದು MOSFET ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಒಂದು MOSFET.
See here, it's what is that?
PQZ1
PCZ1. PCZ.
PQ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
No, one capacitor is there. That you check. PCZ21. PCZ21. That is connected to jumper. That capacitor.
ಇದೆ.
Yeah. PCZ Z1, right? See this side, here capacitor positive. See this is 2, this is 1. PCZ Z1. No, that is ground you are checking. Here you have to check. Positive side. See this one is positive side.
We should get
Positive side you have to check. See here you may get the beep because of this one is
This one is
4
short.
section, right?
Yes.
So that side also you need to check with ground. That side.
Which one? This side, sir?
That side.
It's showing
Which side is showing? CPU side or
CPU
other
side showing.
CPU side.
Yes.
Now check the CLR then. See, in case if it is a CPU side, then you need to check the CLR.
Yes.
Not sure. It won't show.
It's not showing, right? 100%.
100%.
Okay. Now you do one thing. Connect the CLR. CLR is there. All the component you reconnected, right?
Yes, right.
As per our knowledge, 3 volts is good, 5 volts is 5 volts good. I mean, what is the RAM section also good.
19 volt fault.
19 volts also
Fine.
short removed, right? Okay. See, Stanji, this is VCC in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, VCC in section has some short.
Yes, sir.
But one thing we can consider it, see 19 voltage directly connected to capacitors.
Yes, sir.
Here two capacitors are connected.
Yes.
Those are polar capacitors.
Yeah, sure.
Huh? Here one high MOSFET is there.
Yes, sir.
That you need to check connectivity.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That name is PQZ1.
PQZ1.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
After connecting this, okay.
ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಮೀಟರ್.
Yeah, sir. Compound.
PQZ1 high MOSFET.
PQ.
Source and drain.
Source and right, huh?
Yes. First you confirm the particular MOSFET is there or not.
PQZ1 is there.
Yeah.
Source to drain. Yeah.
Being short, right?
Short.
Completely zero. Okay, you check other one. That also showing, right?
Yes. This is different. Only two MOSFET is there, na?
Yeah, only high low MOSFETs are there.
PQZ1 and PQZ3.
Yes.
Correct, na, sir?
PQZ2. Z3 is high MOSFET again.
PQZ1 is there.
PQZ1 is high MOSFET.
Yes, okay.
PQZ2 is
Z2
low MOSFET.
different. Z2 different.
There is no short, right?
This also, sir.
See, this is core section, that's why you are getting some values here.
Getting a sir?
See, if showing beep also, it's showing some values.
That is good.
That is good.
That is good.
So it means high MOSFET. There
Yes.
is some short. Better you remove the high MOSFET.
This one, na, sir?
Yes.
Before that one, two MOSFET is there, parallel connection.
Which one? Same.
After remove that jumper.
Again we will search one more.
No, not that one, sir. Before remove that jumper, na?
Okay, this one.
Na, that two
Two
capacitors.
capacitors are there.
Then it short is gone.
That also will be there, but easiest way this one, right?
After
This
remove that one.
capacitor is not SMT capacitor. I mean, not black color one.
Yes.
So it's very difficult to remove. You don't have spare
Yeah,
at the
this
time.
one, yes, yes.
That's why I'm telling.
Okay.
You better you open the
MOSFET.
MOSFET.
Okay.
This one is sense VCC. See, if you remove this, so you come to know the impedance. It's good or not.
Correct, sir.
Now at present it's showing completely zero. That capacitor, careful. Beside capacitor.
Maybe this MOSFET and sir, it's coming bubble little bit heat also bubble.
Careful, careful. Bubble is there, right? Beside capacitor, careful. Now again any high MOSFET is there, that will check.
Now can I check short?
PQZ3 also is there, right? That you check the short?
No. Now we can check ground short.
No, that also you check, that high low MOSFET, sorry, this one, drain and source. Now we are checking the short. Actually that VCC in is there, right? That voltage is connected to other MOSFET also, PLZ2 coil plus VCC in. Here actually sense called PLZ1 and here PLZ2. Here also one more high MOSFET is there. That one he is removing.
Short is over.
This side you check. This continuity will be there. Now you, that continuity will be there.
That one different.
Okay. It will be there actually. Continuity will be there. Okay.
Continuity will be there.
Now, short is over or not?
That is over. I have to check this MOSFET.
This MOSFET you connect there. Now it will show again short because of charging.
Yes.
You connect this and you check.
Which one?
This one. If it is good, you come to know. This
Again
one
have to-
again, yeah.
ಇದು
again you have
ಗುಡ್
to
ಐತನ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್
check. That we need to check one by one. First, here there is no continuity, right? After fixing this, again it's showing continuity or not. That we need to check, right? Now where it was?
Here.
This side or that side?
This side only.
Are you sure?
100%.
No, this one, one minute, just a minute. What I'm telling, first you removed, again it was showing short, right?
Yes.
You removed second one, then it was, there is no short.
Yes.
Which one is second one? This is the
This
second
one.
one. This is the second one.
Yes.
You leave it. First one you have to put.
No, first one.
Yes. After removing second, then only short gone, right?
That's why I'm asking. Again, short.
No, first one you have to connect. Yeah, that is first one, right?
Yes.
Careful.
Now we have to check short.
Yes. Prakash. Beauty. No, for cleaning.
Okay.
No. That is disconnected.
This one disconnected. Right, sir?
No, with the ground showing short here.
Sure.
100%.
When it was. No, actually this track we removed, right?
Track remote, sir.
Okay. Then also it was showing, right? Okay.
That's
Then
short is
here,
now over.
here somewhere short is there. In this one we removed, right?
Yeah. No short, nothing is there.
Now you do one thing. Now you connect
This.
this gap. Okay. This is on.
Means jumper, right?
Yes. Jumper again he is fixing because he is telling its short has gone because of this MOSFET. Right. See, this one is here PQZ3 was showing short. He removed and short has gone. Now he connecting the jumper and once again you have to check the continuity. Short gone.
But
Gone?
MOSFET required.
So this is the MOSFET was giving the problem.
Yes.
Clear? Once we fix this MOSFET,
It will power on.
yes, 100% it will be okay.
See, I will show you with CLR also.
Check it. Sailor.
What is the name?
That's
Agalva.
good. Yes.
See, CLR also
Okay. Good.
short gone. Okay.
ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಡಿ.
Now which MOSFET it is?
ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ.
Param, you check this MOSFET.
P channel,
sheet.
N channel.
Okay, this is N channel. 100% it should be N channel.
Okay.
There also you can say. So name is AON. Note down. I'll tell you. AON brush you on. Okay. Prakash, tell me the name. AON. To hold the control. Hold the control. Here. Hold the control. 1 minute. I'll make it big.
A0
AON 6380. 6380. That is the internal MOSFET only, but what kind of specialty is there in that? That we need to check. Okay, now short has removed.
ಏನು?
Okay, you are removing other section in channel. Scrap you are removing, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us check it will work or not. Now short has removed. Careful the capacitor. See, previously I explained you V in section is connected to high-low MOSFET almost, right?
Right.
Here core section high MOSFET has short. Correct. Core section high MOSFET. Now we removed the short because of this high MOSFET. Whole 19 section having short. Now easily we removed without any damaging the motherboard. With idea.
ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟು.
Prakash, we need to check thoroughly. See, that much of heat will be there.
ಹಾಂ ರೀ ಅದೇ
Has to be
ಹೀಟು
cool.
ಇರಬಾರ್ದು.
ಆನ್
Wait.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಲರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
See, if you check the sealer, then you come to know short or not.
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್.
Showing. Prakash.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಜಿ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಅಚ್ಚಾ ಹೈ?
ಅಚ್ಚಾ
अच्छा है।
Okay, now we connect the supply. Now we are connecting the supply. Okay,
Now connecting with DC.
DC supply. Immediately you have to remove in case any
Any short is there means
short is there. Prakash ji,
4
see the light.
see light.
ಹಾಂ ವೇಟ್
Okay,
ಹಾಂ
clear.
ಹಾಂ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್.
See,
It's not powering on.
See here.
Ampere is taken, load is
just
taken.
without RAM we are checking. See, now power came.
Light is okay.
Before it was not there.
ನಾಟ್
Correct. So Prakash,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
now Mr. Anji, you connect the RAM
Yes.
and check, and you put the heat sink also.
Okay sir.
This is the first success. That also 11th generation voltage short. Right, Mr. Prakash.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ thoroughly understanding.
Okay. So this is how you have to check step by step.
ಓಕೆ
So directly don't remove any unnecessary components without knowing. So I already explained you 19 volt section where it will go. So according to that, one by one you checked, right? So now the problem got cleared. Now the thing is display will come or not, that is secondary problem. First basic problem has gone, resolved.
Motherboard is ready, sir. Motherboard ready.
Motherboard is ready. What customer told? Previous person has told to replace the motherboard. Now you are going to replace or repair?
Repair.
Right. Instead of replacement, you are doing repair work. In repair only, it will be okay. One RAM only you connect and connect the, what is that?
This one.
No.
Yeah, this one. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ
No, not this one. Keyboard. One more keyboard you can check. Bring that one. Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Connected, right? Okay.
Correct.
Now you carefully connect this.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ.
Connect the. It's okay. Only one RAM first we need to check.
Port ಇಲ್ಲ sir. Port ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ
Here. No. Not that one. Okay, you remove this connector. See, connect this one. Where it was? Yes. It has given only 2. Okay. Now you have to connect the fan also. Because of overheat,
Yes,
so
yes.
it may be get switch
I
off.
think it will go restart. 2-3 times. 1 minute.
Carefully.
1 minute sir.
ಊಟ
Okay sir, I'm connecting this connector. Okay.
Here. You have to show.
Okay sir.
Okay. Okay, there is the power button. Okay, here, what are the power button that we will search? What is the connection?
Onboard power.
Onboard button is there. Okay. That side, I think so. You disconnect the supply.
Here.
Okay. Leave it. Yes. Now, what is the ampere?
Yes.
Load also taking, ampere also over.
Load is
It will go
taking. The only
Wait,
thing
wait,
is
it will
display
go
has to
restart.
come. Display has to come. Prakash, hold now. Now you check. Ampere has increased. First time it restarted. First time it started. Second time we are still waiting, right?
See, num lock is not
No, it's not yet taken. That's why. Once again check. Sanjay, press the power button.
fan is
Wait.
Wait sir, I will change the rod. See, it's taking good amp, but the thing is, again it's going to shut down. Yes sir.
In the sense, maybe bias has got corrupt,
Yes sir.
but what the major issue that got
That is
clear
short.
here. Okay. Anyway, this is a major success here actually. Okay. Once we do the bias, it will be okay. That also we can show to our valuable customers.
Once again you have tried, right? See here its light is glowing.
1 minute, sir. Without RAM, I will check.
No. In case of bias has corrupt, so definitely it will be like this one. This is the issue with bias.
It's going.
That means it's a bias issue.
So, remove.
Okay.
Damage.
Anyway, major operation success. Prakash, congrats. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.